Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your shape of a photo using Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. Now it will lead you to a home page of your Canva website, and here on the top right corner, you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Now after that, you can see this elements option on the left side. Click on it and on the search bar type in race. Now click on see all, and here you can see this different shape that you can choose from. For an example, if I choose this one, simply click on it. Now go to uploads and choose your required photo. If you have not uploaded a photo, you can click on upload files and upload your desired photo. Here I have already uploaded it, so I'm going to simply drag this picture into this frame. And here you can see that I have changed the shape of my photo into this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.